channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be doing a setup at a mall, and the theme of like different people can participate to market their business, and the theme for this is like Mother's Day. So I decided to do a purple backdrop. I just want to do a test run with you all and just show you what I plan to set up. Okay. So I have a pack for my poles, so I'll use one panel per pole, but I'm really considering using a third pole because I still have some lavender drapes left. These drapes are the same texture, bought from the same company, but as you can see, like, they're different shades of the lavender, but I think I want to use them, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably add a third pole, and I'll let you see how I do that. Okay, so I have these longer valance hangers. So what I'm gonna do, the pole that I have here, I'm gonna place that on the floor, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add another pole in the middle of this. So the pole that you see here, I'll put that towards the end of these valance holders, and then the one that I'm gonna add will be in the middle, and that's where I put those two other drapes on. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna take a napkin, a sequin napkin, and I'm gonna use that as my tie bag along with a corsage pin. So the last step will be to steam these drapes. I'm not gonna steam them on camera, but when you see the intro and outro, you will see that they have been steamed. You won't see the wrinkles. The only thing that I wish that I would have did, I wish that I would have had more of this metallic purple showing, but because there's not going to be a table in front of it, you will be able to catch some of this metallic purple. But I kind of wish I would have did a different design, and even when I do my setup this Saturday and Sunday, I might do something a little bit different. I'll see, but I just wanted to test these drapes out. Thank you for coming along with me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.